take a ride, let's take it. Just think about it, you want it. Falling in love, you love it. You can control it. You make me feel something much stronger, something that I may never forget. I just want this to be longer, longer, yeah, longer. Where you are, where you are, where you go, where you go. Promise I will be there, I will be there.
The boat in the middle of the marina and just drop the anchor. We can have some beers. This guy.
Welcome back to another fish and chips.
Welcome back to another fish and chips episode of Fish and Wishing Live. Oh shit, I'm recording. Ha! Yeah, that was pretty bad. 2 rocks was... What was that, Frenchy?
That was shocking, like.
It was shocking.
It was shocking.
Not good.
Pretty bad, pretty bad. So we put the boat back on the trailer. We left 2 rocks because plenty of boats still at the ramp. I don't know where they went. If they're offshore, if you're watching this, I hope you're safe. But if not, probably hear it on the news. But yeah, stay safe out there, eh? We're heading to Hillary's now. Probably be a little bit more calmer inside that 3-mile reef there, hopefully. We're gonna just chill out, wait for the wind to die down. Don't know what we're gonna do. Might go for a squid, go for a herring. Improvise, it's fishing, improvise. You can't always go for the big fish, but fishing definitely isn't about always going for the big fish. So remember that. Yeah, so we're heading off, see you on the Army and Ave, heading down. Wind is still saying it's blowing at like 20 k's, but yeah, we'll judge that when we see it because we all know how the forecasts are these days. Pretty bad off Perth. But if you are out there, hope you're having a killer time catching some fish. We're going to try and do the same. But if not, it's going to be Little Island, beers, and the brioche that Frenchy's wife made for us. Oh, I'll show you that when we get there. Honestly, if you haven't got French crew, get one. All right, stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Shark boy. Thanks, Laurie. Woo!
Thanks, Laurie.
Cheers, bro. Cheers.
Good breakfast. Breakfast for champions. We seem to have a new FWL crew on the boat. We've got old Mexican Leroy here. Yeah, how's the Mexican going? Mexican's probably going to catch the fish as well. Yeah, it's pretty lumpy out here. Might do it for a little while longer. We might go in, just chill out. Might be one of those days, I think. But that's fishing. That's fishing. With the boys on the boat, still a hell of a good time. Having a bit of a squid. So much calmer in here now. You saw we had the freaking ham and cheese brioche. Thanks, Laurie. That was amazing. And now we've got cake. Honestly, if you want to come fishing with us, you'll never starve, I tell ya. You might not eat fish, but you'll eat everything else. Oh, bloody beautiful out here. As you can see,
Yep.
new Fish and Wishing Live fishing shirts.
Thank you.
They will be available at the Perth Boat Show. And make sure you come and see them and see us. You. Oh, pretty beautiful out here right now. Nice and calm. Got my man Frenchy next to me. I thought we would do a little bit of a talk on something. You all probably wonder the same thing, like, whoa, you guys are on the water a lot, how do you do it, you got a family, how do you balance your time? I mean, what were you doing yesterday?
Yesterday, a lot of cleaning around the house.
Housework?
In the house, yeah.
Housework?
Yeah. Vacuum cleaning.
vacuum cleaning. Oh, so you all see the good stuff about the fish and wishing life, but we do have jobs at home too, right? And full-time jobs to go to. So to balance that out, it's a bit of a mission. Think about how many times we go on the water every week. You know, you know what they say. What is it? Happy wife, happy life.
That's it.
So
And
the kids, like Frenchie's got 2 kids. I've got 2 small kids. Mine are 4 and 2, which is probably, for those that do have kids, probably the hardest time of your life is right now. And Frenchy and I, well, we're fishing. We're living the life right now, right? But we do need to remember that, you know, we have our partners at home with the kids, looking after the kids. So when we're home, we have to make sure we're present, not searching, fishing all the time.
And helping as well, yeah.
And you definitely have to help around the house, because man, if you're a fishing wife or a fishing partner, I take my hats off to you, because this sport, this hobby, as we all know, is very much dependent on weather, right?
Yeah.
You can't plan it. We're not going to go play soccer or go play football or do whatever sport it is you want to do when there's a time for that. Our hobby is based on the weather. So when the weather's good, we're out. And all other plans really need to go to the side, because there might be times where we're fishing for like 2 weeks, we're not fishing because the weather's just custard. I mean, Perth's winter, Frenchy.
Yeah. Even if it's not so good, we can still try, like today.
Yeah.
This morning we had a go, and then, well, it was not the best, but we changed our plan, and now we are here in Ilaris, and then it's pretty calm.
Nice. But yeah, what I'm trying to get at is make sure you do, you know, the right thing at home. We're not always out on the water. I really appreciate my missus, my wife. Frenchie appreciates his, you know, because we are out on the water. This isn't a sport you do for 2 hours at a time. You're literally minimum 5 hours on the water, and then sometimes it's 12, 14 hours. Unlike you boys up north, can generally go for a couple of hours and you've bagged out. But, which we'll do that in Exmouth soon, don't worry. But yeah, you know, just appreciate your partners, because they do a lot for us. Fishing wives, man. Fishing wives, fishing partners, they are the bomb.
Plus the fact if you have a boat to maintain, and then you have to do it during the week to make it ready for the weekend.
Yeah.
So it's another, like, probably a few hours during the week.
Oh yeah, I mentioned the 5 to 8 hours on the water. I didn't mention the 2 hours before and after, especially the cleaning. Scaling the fish, cleaning the boat. You know, you all know how all that works, but this one's really just for the fishing partners, fishing wives. We do really appreciate you, and we thank you for allowing us to do this, because without you, we wouldn't be able to do this for as long as we do. So thanks. Yoo-hoo! All right, that's us back at the marina. This one was definitely for you ladies that look after us. Such a good day on the water. Not too bad on the water. Good to be on the water. No fish. That happens. That's fine. It's pretty nice now though. The wind's completely died right off, which is awesome. But we kind of needed that at 5 in the morning. But anyway, it's all good. That's fishing. Everyone going out on their jet skis over here. This nice yacht, whoever's that is, you're a pretty lucky sort of person, really. That is one nice. I don't think I can even call that a boat. I think that's a yacht. Is that a yacht?
Luxury yacht.
Luxury yacht, honestly.
That's right.
Very, very, very lucky person, he or she is. All right, that's us. We're done. Gonna get the boat on, get home, clean it, and we'll see you next time.
Falling in love, you love it.